Let me show you how to make some Haitian style smothered pork chops with onions and peppers to go with those black beans I showed you last week. I'm going to wash my pork and set it to the side. Into my pan, I'm going to add some Haitian épices, garlic, and the pork. To this, I'm going to add dried thyme leaves, pieces of cloves, some dehydrated chicken broth, black pepper, a tiny bit of salt, and one habanero pepper. I'm then going to take the blender that I blended the épices in, add a cup of water, and pour that right on top of the pork chops and cover and allow it to cook until they're fork tender. Once the pork chops are cooked through, I'm then going to take them out, place them into the air fryer to crisp them up a tiny bit. Then I'm going to strain my sauce. I'm going to also remove the fat that's sitting right on top of there. We really don't want to eat that. I'm then going to place the strained sauce back into the pan on a medium-low heat, add the sliced peppers, add back in the pork chops, top it with some pickled red onions, a little bit of parsley, and we are ready to eat. When I tell you these come out so good each and every time, you cannot go wrong. This is such an easy, quick, and delicious weeknight meal. Let me know if you'll give this a try. If this is your first time seeing me on your FYP, go ahead and hit that follow button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.